Offspring means OFFSPRING. Offspring means the own kind of the child plant. Okay, child. Offspring means child plant of the same kind. So, but here plants are unable to choose the destination of their offspring. Then here, who do that dispersal? Who do the dispersal of the seeds? Dispersal of the seeds are done by here wind, expulsion, animals and waters. These are the things who do the dispersal of the seeds. Okay, ಯಾರು ಮಾಡ್ತಾರೆ dispersal of seeds ಅನ್ನ ಇಲ್ಲಿ? Water, animals, expulsion and wind. These four things do the dispersal of the seeds. Okay, what are the, so we can call it as agent of the dispersal. Seeds get dispersed by the wind, water, animals and expulsion. So we can call it as agents of the dispersal. Water, animals and expulsion. These four are the agents of dispersal. Okay, what are that? Animal, water, wind and expulsion. Okay, these are the four agents of dispersal of seeds. These are the four agents of expulsion. Okay, now how dispersal of the seeds taking place by the wind. ಹೇಗೆ ಗಾಳಿ dispersal of seeds ಅನ್ನ ಮಾಡುತ್ತೆ ನೋಡುವ ಈಗ. Do you know which seed is this? Cotton, and that seeds are cotton seeds. In the cotton seeds are very lightweight. It contains a very lightweight, okay, and very thin. This is so air can disperse these seeds, but if the weight is more, that means do you know the mango seed? Okay, but wind cannot disperse the mango seed. But having the weight that is bigger, but cotton seed is very smaller. So wind can disperse the cotton seed, but wind cannot disperse the mango seed because that is bigger compared to this one. So wind disperse the cotton seeds. Here like cotton seeds and dandelion. I will show the dandelion now. Yes, dandelion. This is dandelion. Okay, seeds of this plant also very small, and wind can disperse the seeds of dandelion also. Dispersal by wind. What are the seeds can disperse by wind? One is cotton seed and another one is dandelion seed. These two seeds can disperse it by the wind. Okay, do you know drumstick? Yes. Can also disperse it by the drumstick seed also can disperse it by the wind. Now can you say what are the plant seeds can next? Now I hope all of you understood the dispersal by wind. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಗಾಳಿಯಿಂದ ಸೀಡ್ಸ್ ಗಳು ಹೇಗೆ ಡಿಸ್ಪರ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ ಇನ್ನೊಂದ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋಗಿ ಪ್ಲಾಂಟಿಂಗ್ ಆಗಿ ಗಿಡ ಆಗುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ನೋದ್ರ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಈಗ I hope all of you understand. Next point, now the dispersal by wind is over now. Next, the dispersal by water. Now the dispersal by water, how it happens, let us check. Okay, here dispersal of the seed takes place at the near of the parent plant. What will happen if here the parent plant is there? The dispersal of the seed takes place here. That means in the beside of the parent plant. What will happen? It cannot grow easily. That means it do not get the sunlight of the sufficient sunlight. It cannot get because the parent plant is higher and this one is bigger. All the sunlight will absorb by the parent plant. So that's why dispersal of the seeds by these agents, that means water, animals and wind and explosion is very necessary. Okay, understood? how the dispersal of the explosion takes place here. Look at this. This is a P, okay? This one is a P. Explosion of the P takes place like this. Sometimes pods of the some plants burst open on ripening. That means after the ripening, it will burst open, and then the scattering the seeds over a distance will happen, okay? Plants produce more seeds as some seeds are wasted during the process of the dispersal, and all the seeds do not germinate into a new plant, because when birds or the animals during the carrying of these seeds, they will sometimes that will stick on the feathers of the birds and in the teeth of the animals, like this. Some seeds are wasted, and the only some of the seeds will get dispersed correctly, and the new plant will arise from that. Now understood, students? Dispersal by explosion, how happen? There are examples itself here. Dispersal of the wind, what are the examples? What are the seeds can wind dispersed? One is dandelion, and another one is drumstick, and another one I already told, that one is cotton seeds, okay? Here but two examples are there. One is dandelion and maple, okay? Here then expulsion, seed dispersal, explosion, how takes place, in which plants it takes place? Lupins, and then here milkweed and zevalweed, okay? Then seed dispersal through animals, how it happen? In which plants it will happen? In a blackberry. Seeds will get dispersed by the animals, okay? Blackberry. In tomato also seeds will get dispersed by the animals, like us. Sometimes we cut the tomato and throw the wastage somewhere else. So sometimes from that also tomato plant will grow, okay?
Yes, teacher.
Tomato, oak,
Teacher.
acorn, burdock. These are the examples, and in these all cases, the here seeds are get dispersed by the animals. And next, seed dispersal through water in the coconut, and in a lotus also. The dispersal of the seed get placed through water, okay? Did you see the lotus plant?
Yes, miss. Yes, miss.
Where it is?
Yeah, in the pond.
In the pond. Yeah.
In the pond.
Yeah, look at this. It is always in the pond, or it is always floating on the water only, okay? Here the dispersal takes place in the water only. Okay, this is lotus in the pond. It's always in the water. Look at this. Here, the dispersal of the seed takes place only through water.
Subscribe now and press the bell icon. Never miss an update.